Working with teachers, we use creative and artistic methods and also tools to foster the educational system. In collaboration with Inca Catalunya in Barcelona, we provide several training courses. Theater, games, simulations, and all the creativity tools that we provide, we think that they are really powerful tools to work with excluded groups of people.
The most important element was, I think, the creative methods. Because normally in German we have cognitive methods and they are sitting. And in this week we learned very many creative with drawing and playing and so on games.
Refugees will have the ability to communicate with other students, and other students will have the ability to understand that they are equal, a part of a puzzle, and each part plays an important role. And through drama activities, could be very useful.
The main objective of creative drama for social inclusion are to provide concrete tools to the teachers to work and to facilitate the work with refugees and to prevent peer bullying in the school. With our program, we think to provide a nice experience for the teachers, not only working with us, but also sharing their experience among them.
Speed game named Zip Zap. That was very good for my pupils, I think. And another is the 3 color groups. That was very good to learn other cultures. And the third I remember was with the room, imagined room, we must do something in this room.
We understand that a lot of us like to communicate. It's another way to communicate with each other we didn't had before.